everybody, hey, welcome. It's Nate with Home Reimagined. Hey, follow along this whole entire job all the way through a 4-season sunroom. Like and subscribe. This view over the lake is absolutely amazing, and these customers were happy and satisfied. It's a brand new dining room for them, and it's just perfect. Came together real nice. Follow all the way through. I'm going to be posting YouTube shorts, reels, everything all the way through the job, and you can check it out. Thanks for watching. Hey, first plan of action, we got to get everything lined up and marked out. Got stakes in the ground. Gonna try to get everything parallel and square just right to get these posts all lined up. I use the old method of just string line and stake it and go. I can't remember if this is the MT85 or the MT100, but it works perfect. We got 16-inch holes going down underneath the frost level, and each post is going to get supported with 3 pieces of re-rod and cement all the way through. So it's time for me to bust that concrete up in those little squares. That way we can get that concrete poured in the middle of this cement pad. I'm hitting pretty hard, but getting it all busted up so we can pry it out of there.
Yeah, you got
it. Now, as you can see, we can't use the deck pillars because the support for the new addition is too heavy for any of that. Plus, we're coming with a whole new layout, so we can't use any of the existing structure. So we had to go with all brand new. So that's the reason why we're putting in all new holes. I made sure I separated the 2 cements. That way they're not meeting up with one another and pushing each other and causing cracks in the concrete. We got the beam in place for this addition. Put it on the pillars. We can go ahead and start building now. Time to get the floor joists on. These are 2x12 floor joists spanning out 16 feet. We're going to have spray foam and ducting and electrical running through these joists, so we've got plenty of room to run all that through, and everything's 16 on center. Got the span just right. Off to the races. Man, as you can tell, I've got all the Milwaukee products sitting there, and that's all I use. Got the new pack-out system now with all the drawers, and I've upgraded my table saw. But as you can see here, we're moving on to the deck. I'm getting all the flashing and everything behind that rim joist, getting everything ready to go so we don't have any leak issues. Get everything covered up, and here we go, off to the races, getting all the floor joists down. These are 2x8 floor joists on this, since this wasn't spanning out quite so far. You gotta love that scaffold system got going on there. Works perfect, up and down, in and out, no issues. You can see I left that overhang there for the stairwell to go ahead and drop down. Now I'm cutting out the stairs. It's about a 6.5-inch rise, so it's a pretty long stairwell. Hey, it's time for walls to start going up. It's a good sign when you see walls going up. The view from this addition is amazing over this lake. I can't imagine how many fish is in there, but we're getting all the framing ready for this next wall. Got a little window up high there. Everything else is just pretty standard. As you can see, I'm butting this wall right up against the existing house wall. That way we can get spray foam in the cavities, and that'll help secure that wall, get it all stiffened up. As you can see, we've already got the overhang already taken off. I didn't get video of that. We got it all covered up, it only rained on us once and nothing ever got in the house, so we were good to go. Get that wall stood up. It was a beast, but we got it up there. I keep the window covered, that way when it's cold and windy and rainy, we don't get anything inside until the windows get there. But it went up good. Now it's time for the last wall. Get all those boards thrown up there and get ready to start building it. We used 2 LVLs that spanned all the way across the whole addition. That way I could support all the windows, the roof, everything coming down. Got it stood up, looking out over the water. Here we go. We can start putting the roof on.
Hey, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you like what you saw. I'm going to be posting so many more videos of this project. And I've got YouTube shorts going throughout the whole entire project. So check it out and follow along. Have a good day.